Amitabh Bachchan is my big brother, Rajinikanth. Superstar Rajinikanth called Bollywood star Amitabh Bachchan as his big brother while addressing the gathering at IFFI 2014, the International Film Festival of India in Goa. Amitabh Bachchan, who attended the opening ceremony of the festival as the chief guest, presented the Centenary Award for Indian Film Personality of the Year to Rajinikanth. I came here to receive an award and not give a speech. Have no words to say after Amitabh Bachchan gave a wonderful speech, said Rajinikanth at IFFI's opening ceremony in Goa. I am honored to receive this award from the Government of India and my heartfelt thanks to Amitabh Bachchan. I dedicate this award to all my film producer, directors and fans, he concluded.
எல்லாரும் நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா சொல்றாங்க. ஆனா உங்க மனசுல என்ன இருக்குன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா இருந்தா இந்த பூவை வச்சுக்கோங்க. எங்க? That's your problem.